What is up, guys and gals, and welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy S21. This is the 5G version. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to start up or activate the device, get it to the home screen. So this is going to be the first time that this device gets powered on. I'm just going to go ahead, press and hold the power button right down here on the side. So I press and held that. The Samsung Galaxy screen pops up, powered by Android. I'll be going through all the startup screens, the startup wizard, to pretty much get the phone to the home screen, kind of get it to the activation portion so you can activate it. And if you have a SIM card and you pre-ordered your device with the SIM card already installed in the device, it should automatically activate. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by select your language, hit start, terms and conditions, going to select all of those, hit next. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and sign into my Wi-Fi network because I don't have a SIM card, an active SIM card in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and take 1 second. So now that I have my Wi-Fi password put in, I'm going to go ahead and hit connect. And from here, it should take a little bit. Oh, it's already connected. So I'm just going to go ahead and select next down here in the bottom right. And it's checking for any updates. This portion shouldn't take very long. It's a fairly new phone. So if you have an older phone, if you're getting it later on, it might take a little while for it to update, pick up new software, stuff like that, any kind of fixes or patches that they might have. So just like that, it went to copy ads, copy apps and data. So it says you can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. So if you're going to be pretty much switching devices, it can copy everything. I'm trying to get to the home screen, so I'm going to hit and don't do anything. Checking for info. If you want to sign into a Google account, I'm going to skip that as well. Are you sure you want to skip? I'm going to go ahead and skip that. And then from here, it gives you use the location. I'm just going to go ahead and deselect that for now. Send usage and data. I'm not going to diagnostic data. I'm going to go ahead and deselect that. For a passcode, I'm going to go ahead and skip that. And it's asking, are you sure you want to skip it? It protects your phone. Skipping it anyway. And here we have the Samsung account for Samsung Pay. And then showing you, hey, you're missing out on all this. Are you sure you want to skip that? I'm going to go ahead and skip it. So it says you're all set up. Hit the finish button. And just like that, we are now getting to that home screen. Powering on for the first time. So we got no apps down there. Swipe to the left takes you to this little news web page type of thing. From top down, we get notifications. And from bottom up, gives you the apps. Apps page, couple different apps. There's a couple things that are still downloading in the background, but overall, there you guys have it. It's got the full-on screen, got the little buttons. You can change that as well if you don't like the buttons here, or have them light up anyways. Top screen, just a little bit of camera action showing up right there. The camera and the LCD screen goes all the way around everything else. So overall, pretty cool. I'm going to do a lot more tutorials on this guy. If you guys would be interested in seeing those, be sure to stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching this one. Peace.